Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we'll guide you through the process of making a clay pot from scratch. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to create a beautiful and functional clay pot using simple materials. So let's get started. The first step is to gather all the necessary materials. You'll need air-dry clay, a rolling pin, a clay knife or cutter, a pottery wheel, a sponge, water, and various shaping tools. Next, prepare the clay by kneading it with your hands to make it soft and pliable. This will make it easier to work with and shape. Use a rolling pin to roll out the clay into a flat, even sheet. Aim for a thickness of about 1 to 4 inch, 0.6 millimeters, or as desired for your pot. Use a clay knife or cutter to cut out a circular shape for the base of your pot. You can use a template or trace around a circular object to achieve a neat and even shape. Take the cut out base and gently mold it into a cylindrical shape, gradually building up the walls of the pot. Use your fingers or shaping tools to smooth and shape the clay as desired. This step is optional, but allows you to add decorative details to your clay pot. You can use shaping tools to create patterns, textures, or even carve designs into the surface of the pot. Use a damp sponge or your fingers to smooth out any rough edges or imperfections on the surface of the pot. Pay attention to the rim and the base to ensure a clean finish. Once you're satisfied with the shape and finish of your clay pot, set it aside to dry. The drying time will vary depending on the thickness of the clay and the humidity in your environment. Follow the instructions on the clay packaging for the best results. If you have access to a kiln, you can choose to fire your clay pot to make it more durable and water resistant. Additionally, you can apply glaze to add color and a glossy finish. Follow the instructions provided with your clay and glaze for firing and glazing processes. And there you have it. You've successfully made your own clay pot. Whether you choose to use it as a decorative piece or for functional purposes, your handmade clay pot is sure to add a touch of creativity to your space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects and tutorials. Happy pottery making!